If you're seeing Steam error 256 when trying to launch a game, don't worry. This is usually a fixable issue, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the best solutions step by step. This error often happens because of a permissions problem, a damaged download cache, a broken library folder, or missing game files. The good news is that you can usually fix it without reinstalling everything from scratch. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first fix is to repair your Steam library folder. This is one of the most effective solutions for launch failures caused by file permission issues or library problems. Open Steam, click Steam in the top left corner, then go to Settings. In the Settings menu, find Storage. This is where Steam shows all of your installed drives and library folders. Next, locate the drive that contains the game that is giving you the error. Click the three dots next to that drive and then select Repair Folder. Steam will begin checking the library folder for any issues and will try to repair permission-related problems automatically. This process may take a little time, especially if your game library is large, so let it finish completely before testing the game again. Once that's done, try launching the game one more time. If the error is still there, the next step is to clear your download cache. A corrupted cache can sometimes interfere with game startup, updates, or login behavior, and clearing it forces Steam to rebuild fresh temporary data. To do this, go back into Steam settings, then click Downloads. Scroll until you see the Clear Download Cache option. Click it, confirm the prompt, and then Steam will sign you out. That's normal. After the cache is cleared, log back into Steam using your account credentials. Once you're signed in again, test the game and see if the issue is resolved. If Steam error 256 is still showing up, the next thing you should do is verify your game files. This is especially important if one launch file is missing, corrupted, or not downloading correctly. To verify the files, go to your Steam library, right-click the game that is failing to start, and select Properties. In the Properties window, click Installed Files, then choose Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan every file in the game installation and compare it against the official version on its servers. If anything is missing or damaged, Steam will automatically re-download the broken files. This step can completely fix startup issues caused by corrupted executables or incomplete installs, so give it time to finish before trying again. After verification is complete, launch the game and check whether the error is gone. If you still can't get in, the next fix is to run Steam as an administrator. Sometimes Windows security settings, including controlled folder access, can block Steam or the game executable from launching properly. To do this, close Steam completely first, then right-click the Steam shortcut or Steam executable and choose Run as Administrator. If that helps, you may also want to set the game's .exe file to always run as administrator. To do that, find the game's installation folder, right-click the .exe file, choose Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, and check. Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and then OK. This can help Steam bypass permission restrictions and launch the game correctly. If you want the best chance of fixing Steam error 256, go through these steps in order. Repair the library folder, clear the download cache, verify the game files, and run Steam as administrator. In most cases, one of these solutions will solve the problem and get your game launching again. If this guide helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more troubleshooting videos just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.